Hello, my name is Scott for SB Gaming. Welcome back to Construction Simulator Sunday. Today, we are going to take on yet another job. We have $131,150 in the bank account. What I would like to do is take a look at the jobs. These refresh in about 5 minutes. But I was taking a look at these, and most of these, this one has 6 tasks. This one has 8 tasks, and this one has 8 tasks. We could also do a container transport, which is just, yeah, but, yeah, $3,500, nah. Let's go big, and I was thinking either doing this one here, roof extension in a single family house. It's worth $32,900. It will require us to transport 4 cubic meters of earth, which we can use the rest of the stuff that we have. We will, of course, have to get another load of it. Building waste container, which we already have, I believe. And then get the lumber, big roof tiles, insulation material, and asphalt. And drive an excavator. Transport from the gravel plant. Okay. Alright, so do we actually have to excavate? I'm not seeing an excavation task. That is weird. Alright about that. Maybe we have to spread out. Nah, that. Yeah, we'll take this as one complexity, and 32,900. Yeah, let's take it. All right, so drive a small excavator to the construction site, which is that over there. We will also need the earth and the building waste container. So I will grab this vehicle. And we are going to want to connect. What about and can we connect? There we go. And oh, that's right. We need to okay, left shift Q. Alright, there we go. And now let's jump into our vehicle. And where are we heading? We are going up here again. I see. So let's take a left. Whoa. And is it the same place? No, I think we built this one last time. Okay, so the task is to drive the excavator to the construction site. So what I'm going to do is hop out. transport 4 cubic meters into the marked area, which is, I presume, right here. Yep. Alright, so one thing I would like to do... Oh, no. Yep. Did I... Oh wow, that wasn't attached. Alright, so what I'm going to do is... Actually... Yeah, let's just drive it out onto the road. And we're just going to park the trailer right about... Here should be good. And now, let's Shift plus E. And then we are going to disconnect. And we have 3.3 cubic meters in this truck right now. We are going to need to go back to the gravel plant. No. And what do we have here? Get the building waste container from the construction site. Okay, yeah, this thing here. Alright. There we go. And now we need to drive over to the gravel plant. See you over there. Alright, so we're coming up to the gravel plant. And... need to go over there. Okay. And there we go. 4.0 cubic meters. $2,000. And now let's head back. Although before I do, can we reset? Yes, we can. Should think about purchasing a new vehicle. Alright, well about that. Yeah, it is nice to be able to reset your vehicle back to your home base. Especially when it can save you some time. Now, what I would like to do, I'm not going to unload all of this, but we are going to try to do like last time. And we're just going to unload as little as possible, just enough to get the job done. Let's just going back up a little bit more. And there we go. Alright, so I lost 2.5 cubic meters. I went from 3.3 cubic meters down to 2.5. That sucks. I wonder if I can use the excavator to grab some of that soil. Since the task is completed. Let's just... yeah, park here. Alright, so now I'm going to need the building waste container from here to the gravel plant. So we are going to hop over to our home base and we are going to jump into the deposit tipper. And now, can I... Nah. It's right over there. I figured, it'd be short enough distance that it wouldn't matter. I could just transport there for free, but I guess it's not to be. Alright. Turn the truck around. Whoa. I feel like the truck is sliding as though it's on ice. Alright. Let's attach. And connect cargo. And there we go. Let's get over to the gravel plant. Alright, so we're back here at the gravel plant. And I just have to drop it off to the right. And there we go. Cargo disconnected. Level up, an experienced journeyman. It's time for things to get serious. Talk to Pete. New contracts are available. Let's just reset the vehicle. And now we need to get 2 lumber spruce from the sawmill. We need to get larch from the sawmill. And that's it. So what I'd like to do is reset this back to home base. And now we are going to grab the deposit, not the deposit tipper, this thing here. Achievement unlocked. Toiled 300 minutes. $25,000. Nice. So, we need to go to Sawmill. How much would it cost to get to the sawmill? Ouch. Nope. Let's just drive over there. But I will meet you over there, of course. Alright, so we are coming up to the sawmill. And we are going to want to talk to this guy. We are going to need 2 units of spruce. Oh, wait a minute. We already have larch at home, I think. If we check the company warehouse. Yep, we have 2 units of spruce and larch. Yeah, the extra bit of larch we got on the last job when it glitched out on us. And, yep, so we have that. We just have to go back to the home base. So nice. This job only costing us less just because reasons. Alright, now it's what's the alright, drop sides, and now for this job, I'm pretty sure that there are a few other tasks right about nope there. Drop it there. Now before we go back to the job site, what I'm going to want to make sure to do is check for any other jobs that we can tasks that we can do on our way back. Sides up. Alright. Might want to just redo that. Sides up, jump out, attach the cargo, it's good, and now, so spruce and larch, what else do we have? Stage 3 will require big roof tiles, insulation, and asphalt, and these are all from the materials trader, so yeah, we're going to want to stop off there. And apparently special job, relocation to the city. Talk to the foreman, talk to the agent, talk to the foreman, drive the deposit tipper to your home base in the city, excavator to the home base in the city, small flatbed truck. Alright, about that. Anyway, let's switch over to drive mode. Relocation to the city. about that. Now, from here, can I... Vehicles with cargo cannot be delivered. Alright. So, you know where it is. I'll meet you over there. Alright, so we're coming back into town. And we are going to want to... Alright, so what are the... we are going to need 2 big roof tiles gray, 1 insulation, 1 asphalt. 2 of these. We're going to need asphalt and... what was it? Insulation material. We're going to purchase it for $6,600. And there we are. Let's park it right here. Oh, wait a minute. Alright, so we're going to need to drop the outriggers. Switch over to work mode. Oh, before we continue. Now, are we too far away? Hopefully not. No, we should be good. Drop the side panels. Rotate. Rotate a bit more. And there we go. And there we go. And right about there. And one more piece. Which, if we can, we are going to just... Actually, we're not going to put it on the Larch. Let's throw it right about here. Before I continue... Perfect. Reset the vehicle, go into drive mode, and then track the outriggers. And let's head out of here. Alright, now I'm going to need to... right here. And there we go. And I'm going to drop it And now let's get back to the building site. Alright, so we're going to need this into the marked area. Now, where is that? That is right over here. And now we're going to drop the outriggers. Release the cargo. Switch to work mode and nope. First bit of larch. And right there. Could have probably come at this at a slightly parallel angle, just so I don't have to rotate the crane all the way around, as I am pretty much having to do. If I drove in so that I was kind of parallel with the unloading zone, I'd only have to make a quarter turn rather than the half turn that I'm making right now. Always look at ways that you can make your unloading and loading more efficient. Alright, let's shift our view and grab that one. And then once this gets dropped, I don't know if there's going to be a second loading area or if we just load this into the same spot. There we go. Clear the construction area. Roof extension in a single family house. Get 2 big roof tiles, gray from the material traders, and transport insulation. Alright. It is always nice to grab everything at one shot so you don't have to keep going back to different locations. Let's go from an overhead. Drop that. Go. 2 more pieces to go. Drop it there. And we just have 1 more piece to go. And drop it right about there. Back into drive mode. Now, is that all the tasks? Yep. And now we are going to job account, roof extension in a single family house, stage 1. 8,500, stage 2, 9,800, and stage 3, 14,600, for a total of 32,900 and 1,316 experience. Nice. Alright, let's hop out. And now let's take a look at our handiwork. So yeah, alright, about that. Anyway, at this point what I'm going to do is take a break here. I will get everything connected. I don't know why I had to bring the excavator. There was no task that required it. It was just bring the excavator. Okay, about that. But, yeah. This is pretty much what we had worked on. So, yeah, about that. Anyway, at this point, I'd like to say thank you for joining me for this week's episode of Construction Simulator Sunday. Thank you for watching. My name is Scott for SB Gaming. And as always, have a good day.